Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be sharing a recipe for jerk chicken in my Ninja Foodie grill. I believe this is a subscriber request, so let's jump in. Here I have 4 leg quarters that I went ahead and washed in lemon juice, and I'll be using some browning sauce for the recipe as well as some fresh homemade jerk seasoning. I will leave the link to this down in the description box, but the store-bought version is always an option if you prefer. I have some complete seasoning, chicken bouillon, and some seasoned salt. What you want to do is add all of the seasonings to the chicken as well as that browning sauce. That's to add a bit of color to that chicken. Once everything is mixed and well combined, we will transfer it to a Ziploc bag and allow it to sit and marinate overnight. To get the best results, you want this to sit and marinate. Do not rush the process. Tomorrow I will see you back here when we continue with the recipe. Fast forward to the next day, let's make a quick sauce that we will baste our chicken with. One thing I hate is a dry jerk chicken. So here I have some brown sugar. I will add some ketchup to that, and I will add some jerk barbecue sauce. We will mix the combine and set that aside. So I went ahead and preheated my Ninja Foodie grill. It's on the grill setting and it's set to medium. Medium is about 400 degrees. So if you're using a air fryer, that's what medium is for my Ninja Foodie grill. It's 400 degrees Fahrenheit. You want to place the chicken in there skin side down first, and we'll allow it to cook for 20 minutes. 10 minutes in, you want to flip the chicken, but before we flip it, we will baste it with that sauce that we made on both sides. Then we'll allow it to continue cooking for the additional 10 minutes. After about 20 minutes, our jerk chicken is finally done. We will remove these and we will add the other 2 in here and continue that process. Then I'll show you guys the finished product. And here you have it, my version of jerk chicken in the Ninja Foodie grill. You can do this in the oven, air fryer, or on a grill outside. It doesn't matter, you should get the same taste and flavor. I did plate this up with a fresh garden salad, macaroni and cheese, and potato salad. It was absolutely divine. My entire family enjoyed it. I hope you guys give the recipe a try. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for me. I will be leaving all my ingredients and measurements down in the description box, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Have a good day and enjoy.